Today we'll be looking at prokaryotic transcriptional regulation, specifically negative inducible control, where a repressor is normally bound to DNA, causing transcription to not occur. This is turned off when a small molecule binds to that regulatory protein, allowing RNA polymerase to read the DNA. These are all the components that we're going to be using. In the top left, we have RNA polymerase, which transcribes DNA into RNA. Then we have the repressor gene, which codes for the repressor. Then we have the repressor protein, which stops transcription of structural genes. Then we have the operator, which binds with the repressor. And then the promoter, which binds with RNA polymerase to allow transcription to occur. Then we have the structural genes, which these are the ones that are going to be translated into proteins. Then we have a small molecule, which creates an allosteric change or change of the shape of the repressor, preventing binding. This is our operon we're going to be using with the repressor gene, the promoter, operator, then structural genes. RNA polymerase will ultimately transcribe the repressor gene, creating the repressor protein. This will bind to the operator, and RNA polymerase will bind to the promoter, but unable to transcribe the structural genes because of the repressor. The small molecule will create an allosteric change on the repressor, preventing it to bind to the operator. Then RNA polymerase will be able to bind to the promoter and transcribe the structural genes. So we're going to create an analogy to explain what we just saw. So a car is going to be driving down the road, which represents RNA polymerase transcribing DNA. The repressor is going to represent the policeman, and the small molecule is going to be represented by a thief. Without the policeman, the car is going to be able to drive right across the road and get to its destination. But if there's a policeman, the car is not going to be able to drive all the way through and going to be stopped. If there's a thief, the policeman's not going to want to stay on the road. He's going to want to go catch the thief. So this is going to allow the car to drive down the road without being stopped.